Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Boss Parents here.
Ashley and Lindsey.
And Carter's back there.
Carter's in the back hanging out.
Oops, he's back there. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Today is Sunday. We're in February 2018.
Yep.
Just dropping a message to say hello. And we're talking and strategizing our year as parents. And Lindsey and I wanted to tell you about or talk about taxes. All about taxes.
Did you guys file your taxes yet? Some people do them very early and some never do them. That's what we were realizing. We have a lot of friends who either own their own businesses or just obviously work a job. And we were just reflecting and talking about the process and how a lot of people often don't educate themselves on the process. They just trust somebody to do it for them, which is fine, as long as you have somebody who's trustworthy.
I'm going to jump in and say, me as a business owner, I want to run the business, and a lot of people who run businesses, they don't necessarily know how to stay on top of their finances and run finances. That's where my wife comes in.
That's where I come in.
Keeps me organized.
You got to be organized. You got to have somebody who does your books. Keeping your books monthly is really, really important. So, I don't know. That's a big recommendation. Obviously, Ashley and I talk about it a lot. I help him. But if you don't have somebody, who's your spouse, who knows stuff about money and taxes and bookkeeping and finances, then you have to find a trusted resource to do that for you. And, we just think about a lot of our friends, because a lot of our friends call us for advice on that. And we love that, which is great.
Yeah.
But it's a new year, and always time to get your taxes done and get those returns, and hopefully people get a lot of refunds.
Yeah. So we want to talk about, really share 3 things that need to happen this year for business owners and for non-business owners. 3 very important things. First of all, what do we need to do, Lindsey? We need to get organized for our taxes.
Organized.
Get organized.
Get your life organized. Keep those records. Get your statements. Gather everything for the year. There's Carter chiming in.
Yeah, he's saying organized. Get organized.
If your life has changed at all, that's a big deal too. Make sure you have notes of that. Did you get married? Did you have a baby? Did you get divorced? Hopefully not, but all those things play a part in how you guys file your taxes.
Yeah. Number 2, once you get organized, or if you yourself aren't organized, work with a person that you trust to get you organized and someone that you can file taxes with. Right?
That's right. Keeping the books. Keep your books. If you're a business owner, you should be having that done monthly. If not, at least quarterly.
Yes.
If you don't want to go monthly. But I highly recommend it to go monthly. So if you guys, I have some great resources if you need somebody. But that's very, very important. Stay organized and keep your books and have somebody you can rely on. Right.
And number 3, if you are organized and then you get your taxes together and you file your taxes, that's great. But if you're sometimes like somebody like me, you may procrastinate and may need that extension. So what do? We file an extension, right?
Before the filing deadline.
Yes, before the deadline.
So a lot of businesses are due March 15th if you are a small business owner. And then your personal returns are due April 15th unless you file on a different schedule. But yeah, if you want to extend, you got to file your extension.
Yeah, you do.
Because a lot of friends of ours, they get into business and they don't actually even understand the schedule. It's so funny.
Right.
And they keep going and they go, and next thing you know, they're 2 years behind, and it's like...
Exactly.
Just some cleanup work.
Right.
Nothing that's not fixable, but it really helps to stay on top of things.
Right. So that's for business owners, small business owners. But what if we're about the everyday person? What do you do? Is it the same thing?
Same exact thing.
Same exact thing. So whether you own a business or not, you need to get organized. You need to file your taxes. And if you aren't filing your taxes, you need to file for an extension, number 3.
That's right.
That's it. So we just want to drop a little nugget on you because we're thinking about it, we're talking about it, and we want you guys to be ahead of your taxes. And
the other thing is happening, Ashley and I were talking about, was the tax codes changed a ton, you guys, with our president in the White House. So
things have changed with taxes.
Things have changed. So there are definitely some changes that'll impact everybody in 2018. So that is happening too. But yeah, everything's right. Everything that you said, babe.
There we go.
Good.
So those are our 3 nuggets we want to drop, or 3 pieces of boss parent advice today.
Yes.
And as always, we would love for you to subscribe below.
Over here, over there, wherever it is.
Yep, wherever it is. Carter's in the back hanging out.
Carter's back there.
Daddy's driving.
That's you. Hanging out. Sunday road tripping.
Talking about business.
That's right.
As always, we love you guys. And we will talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Peace.
Bye.